Welcome to the Learner, upgrade your knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learner.
Which planet is known as the blue planet? Mars, Earth, Neptune, Uranus. Correct answer, Earth. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, Mark Twain, Jane Austen. William Shakespeare. What is the capital of Germany? Munich, Berlin, Frankfurt, Hamburg. Berlin. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Vitamin C. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Saturn, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune. Jupiter. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, dollar, pound, sterling, yen. Pound sterling. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Nikola Tesla. Albert Einstein. What is the largest continent by population? Africa, Europe, Asia, South America. Asia. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Brain, heart, liver, kidney. Heart. What is the capital of Italy? Venice, Rome, Milan, Naples. Rome. Which gas is essential for human breathing? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Oxygen. Which is the tallest mountain in Pakistan? Nanga Parbat K2, Rakaposhi Broad Peak. K2. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Moon, stars, sun, wind. Sun. Which is the fastest land animal? Lion, tiger, cheetah, horse. Cheetah. Who discovered penicillin? Marie Curie, Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner. Alexander Fleming. What is the capital of France? Lyon, Paris, Marseille. Nice. Paris. Which is the largest desert in Asia? Sahara, Gobi, Thar, Arabian. Gobi. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Root, stem, leaf, flower. Leaf. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? 0 degrees, 32 degrees, 50 degrees, 100 degrees. (32 degrees Fahrenheit). Which country is famous for pyramids? India, Egypt, Mexico, Peru. Egypt. Which is the smallest continent? Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America. Australia. Which metal is used in electrical wiring? Gold, silver, copper, iron. Copper. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Tiger, lion, elephant, leopard. Lion. Which is the largest ocean? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, Pacific. Pacific, who was the first man to walk on the moon? Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong. What is the capital of China? Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Shenzhen. Beijing. Which organ helps in digestion of food? Heart, brain, stomach, lungs. Stomach. Which is the longest river in Asia? Indus, Ganges, Yangtze, Mekong. Yangtze. Which gas do humans exhale? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. Carbon dioxide. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland. Norway.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Learner. Your support helps us create more quality educational content for you and your family.